Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching that earwax removal video today. I hope you're all doing really well. A special shout out to everyone who is stuck in self-isolation or quarantine at the moment. Hi to everybody doing that. I know it's not an easy time, but thank you very much for what you're doing. What you can see here is we've got a patient that's got a really blocked up ear, just one side. So we've managed to use the standard size Zollner tube here to get a good grip. This was lodged probably about 2/3 of the way down the ear canal. And as you can see, we'll get a good grip on the outer section here. Pull this away. So the patient was feeling really blocked up on this one side. No pain, just lots of very dull muffled hearing here. So we've got a good grip. It's working its way out just, there we go. So it's out, it's come. You'll see as we pull this away from the ear, there's actually a little straggly piece that's sitting behind it. There you go as well, which has pulled a lot more of the wax further down the canal. So we're just going to grab that bit next. There you go. And that's come away nicely. You'll see when we take this away, there's a few little liquid bits left in there, so we'll take a look at those and get rid of that. There you go. You can see a little bit further in, pushed up against the eardrums, a little bit more soft, wetter wax, which will get away now with the suction. Just to keep you posted, guys, we are going to carry on with the wax removals. There are going to be a few other videos we're going to do. We've got something a bit more fun planned for you guys. Maybe this week, towards the end of this week, maybe beginning of next week. So I'll keep you posted about that one when it does come out. So just to keep everyone's spirits up and keep us all kind of focused on something else apart from COVID-19. So you can see we've got this more liquid wax coming away here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to hold it in this section. So look at this eardrum. You can see the light reflex there is really diffused. I'm going to zoom in on the bottom half of the eardrum. Have a look at these sections here. See these little outline sections I'm pointing out? That's actually bubbles behind the eardrum. So what we can see is this person's got some middle ear fluid there as well, which is also going to cause a few problems, especially this time of year as well. So we've got just over 1.5 centimeters there, 5/8 of an inch as well. Thank you to my easy read ruler for that one. Yeah, all came away really, really nicely. And I shall see you on Wednesday. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.